Welcome to Is Blockstream Jade Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Blockstream Jade wallet and related resources are provided in the description below. Blockstream Jade is a Bitcoin hardware wallet designed for users who prioritize security and privacy. Made for both beginners and advanced Bitcoin holders, Jade offers an efficient and safe way to store your Bitcoin, with a strong focus on air-gapped security, multi-signature support, and seamless integration with Blockstream software tools. One of its primary features is its air-gapped security, meaning the device never directly connects to the internet. It uses QR code-based communication to sign transactions, keeping private keys secure and offline. This reduces the risk of attacks from malware or hackers who could potentially target online devices. The Jade wallet supports multi-sig transactions, a feature that enhances security by requiring multiple signatures to authorize transactions, making it ideal for businesses or families who want an added layer of protection for their Bitcoin holdings. Blockstream Jade also seamlessly integrates with Blockstream Green, the company's software wallet, providing users with an intuitive way to manage their funds securely. It is compatible with Hardware Wallet Interface, HWI, enabling it to work with a variety of third-party software wallets and services. This level of flexibility ensures that users can have full control over their Bitcoin while maintaining top-tier security standards. For those focused on advanced security, Jade also supports the use of BIP32, BIP39, BIP44 standards, ensuring compatibility with industry-standard recovery phrases and enabling users to securely back up and recover their funds. With its open-source nature, Blockstream Jade offers transparency, which is an important consideration for users who value privacy and trust. In conclusion, Blockstream Jade is one of the safest options for Bitcoin holders who want a secure, offline solution to manage their funds. With features like air-gapped security, multi-signature support, and integration with Blockstream Green, it's a great choice for anyone looking to enhance their Bitcoin security. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on how Blockstream Jade can protect your assets.